Alright, here's the thing. Right now, I am very out of shape. You know, I'm stuck at home. I've just been sitting down all day, and I really need some exercise. So today we're going to be doing the 1 turn 5 push-ups challenge. It's not actually a challenge. I just made one up, but we'll go with it. So the rules are, you try solving Rubik's Cube, and for every single turn you do, you have to go down and do 5 push-ups. I solve a cube in about 60 to 70 moves, which means 300 push-ups. Anyways, let's just get right into it, shall we? Let's see here. What's our first move going to be? Alright, first move. And let's go, I guess. Okay, so first 5 weren't too hard. You know, it's going to be pretty easy at first, but eventually it'll start getting more and more tiring. Second move. Guys, I'm already starting to get kind of tired. That's how bad I am. Okay, so we're now done with our cross. I think I'm gonna take a little break. I got something to check on my phone. What am I checking on my phone right now? Well, it's none other than the #1 RPG on iOS and Android, and now cross-device on PC, Raid Shadow Legends. Now look, growing up, I've always loved RPGs. My favorite game ever is Paper Mario and the Thousand Year Door. RPGs are just really my thing. So you can only imagine how excited I was to learn that Raid Shadow Legends is also an RPG. What got me even more excited though was that it's completely free to play. Now the nice thing about Raid is that it has something for everyone. So whether it's collecting characters, the rich story, or the amazing graphics, something about this game will appeal especially to you. Now let's hop onto a game, shall we? Just by looking at it, you can tell that the graphics on this game are incredible. It's not like other games where you have these little cartoon characters. These are truly console level graphics. Alright, so we're going to use this double shot on this girl right here. Dang, we really got her there. Let's use this cross slash, and oh my god, we just completely destroyed her right now. Finishing blow on this guy, and boom. Did you feel that? Because I felt that. That was exhilarating. Now recently, Raid has extended their daily rewards program from being 90 days to 180 days. Every day you can log on and get new rewards such as energy refills, gems, and even new champions like this. It's like having Christmas every single day if I'm being honest. So guys, do yourself a favor and download this game. But don't just download it anywhere. Use the link I put down in the description. This will get you 100,000 silver and a free new champion, which is honestly quite the flex. Seriously though, just give it a try. It's free, so no harm in trying it, and it'll support the channel at the same time. So click it. Alright, well, back to solving now. Okay, so we're now done with our cross, so now we're starting on F12. Alright, sweet. It's kind of hard to commentate when I'm out of breath. So after I insert this pair, I'm going to have another free pair, which is going to cut down on moves, so that's a good thing. And first pair is in. You know, I realized I'm being really careful about my moves because obviously I don't want to do extra push-ups. And why am I already tired? Oh my gosh. Guys, I promise I exercise a lot, but bodyweight workouts are just really not my thing. You know, I'm literally being so efficient with my F2L right now. I'm canceling a bunch of moves, I'm fighting multiple pairs at the same time. You know, overall just being more efficient. Dude, this right arm is already gone. It's already starting to hurt, which is not looking good because I'm not even done with F12 yet. Alright, last F12 here. You know, I realize inserting each F12 pair literally takes so long. Why am I already so out of breath? It's not good. The thing is, last layer takes by far the longest. You know, that last algorithm could be 15 moves, which is way too many pushes for me to do right now. And done with F12. Right now we just gotta do OLO and PLO, and looking at the cube right now, it looks pretty easy. So let's just get right into it. Oh shoot, okay, we actually have an H-perm. Guys, I am so happy. I'm already tired, so that's a very good thing. Okay, almost done, almost done, almost done. You're almost there, you're almost there. Dude, are you seeing that last push-up? I hardly can even bring myself up.
Perfect.
Guys, I think I messed up on the algorithm, so I have no idea what's going on right now. How do I mess up an H perm? Alright, 2 more moves. You see that? 1 more move. And oh shoot, finally, that's over with. That was honestly quite a bit harder than I thought it was. It's hard to talk when you're out of breath right now. I challenge all of you guys to try this, make a video about it, title it 1 turn 5 push-up challenge, and email me the video at secretscoded. I would love to see. Now, do I want to nominate anyone? Keeping Darker. Joey, I better see a video from you. Alright, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Perfect.